This is the easiest way to earn over $1,000 a day using GoHighLevel and ChatGPT. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to be giving you not only a free course and proof, but I'm going to be giving you a list of AI tools, a list of done for you emails, and a list of IG Reels. And the best part is all this is free and I have nothing to sell you. In fact, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can diversify your income, and I'm going to be giving you a full done for you system that includes the checklist, emails, snapshot, and a bunch of other really cool stuff that you can get paid to promote. Now, I'm going to be giving you these pre-written emails that were written by AI. I'm going to be giving you a list of done for you reels that you can start posting on places like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. And I'm going to be giving you a full step-by-step course that is going to be going over everything that we're talking about in this video, and it's all going to be for free. So all you have to do is subscribe. It helps the channel out. Leave a comment. Let me know you're taking action, and share this video with one person that you think that this will help. And I will send everything in this video for you today. Now, let's go ahead and dive into what we're going to talk about. So as you've been seeing on this first screen, it's the digital playbook. And if you just go to digitalplaybook.com, you'll be taken to this easy opt-in screen where you can click free, put in your information, and then you will get taken to the checklist. And also, when you download and get the checklist, you get this right here. You get my whole funnel. You get everything by entering in my snapshot, which we'll talk about here shortly. Now, first step in this system is you're going to want to grab this 14-day trial of a tool called GoHighLevel. Now, I talk about this tool all the time because this is what I use for my backend system as far as emailing, text messages, calendars, all that stuff. And as you can see, when this video is coming out, there's a Black Friday deal. So great time to go ahead and get it. But once you get this tool, you get taken to a screen like this, and this is your account. And the three areas that we're going to be talking about is going to be marketing, automations, and sites. Sites is going to be where you're going to be able to build your funnels and your websites. Automations, that's where you're going to build your sequences, AI automations. And then marketing is where you're going to be able to schedule out all the done for you short form content. So first, let's go into sites. Now, to get all of these websites, funnels, what you're going to want to do is go to import snapshot. Now, step 2 and 3 is basically if you want to go in more depth and learn by yourself, which is going to be watching the free course. And then if you want me to go ahead and set everything up for you, go ahead and book a free call. Now, also, I've got sometimes don't get the calendar notification. So if you do set up a call, just go ahead and email me at im@michaelbanker.com, or this is where you can get a hold of me super quickly, is join the free Discord. It's free Discord. You can DM me. That's what I would prefer. If you do set up a call, it's happened to me once where I didn't get that notification and then I missed that setup call. But go ahead and join that free Discord, or like I said, just shoot me an email and I will 100% get on a call with you and set everything up. So going back into the video, let's import that snapshot. And what that's going to do is once you have that GoHighLevel account, it is going to allow you to import all of my systems and backend stuff directly into your account. So boom, you would click import. And then, like I said, it gives you access to all of this stuff, that the email automations, and it just makes everything transitioning so much easier. So the one that I just want to demo right here is just going to be the DPB snapshot. And what this is it's just a quick and easy funnel, because a lot of your traffic is going to be coming from short form content that you're posting everywhere. So when someone clicks on this link, they want a little bit more information before you can allow them to enter in their email and first name to get you on their email or newsletter. So right here, it's going to be whatever AI tool that you decide to promote, and then just a little video. You can use AI to create the video by just going to ChatGPT and go into like 11 Labs of voiceovers, ChatGPT to create the script. That's super easy. And then right here is just a little button that's going to allow them to put in their information to then opt in to your sequences that's constantly sending them emails promoting whatever affiliate link or AI tool that you chose. So we have the first part, which is the front end, the funnel. Now let's go ahead and set up the back end. So this is one of the main reasons why I suggest you set up a kickoff call with me, so I'm able to go in and make sure everything is set up correctly for you. So the main sequence is the new email opt-in sequence, which you get. And what this is once someone enters in their information on that opt-in page, they will get sent emails for the next 40 days, just giving them information about AI, your promotion of the tool, and when someone on this link, that's a bad example. Let's move down. So when someone clicks on one of these links in here, this is called a hyperlink. And when someone clicks on this, that gets taken to your affiliate link. Now, right here is a custom value. And why there's a custom value in here is because when people import this snapshot, it would be a real pain for us to go into every email and replace my affiliate link with your affiliate link. So this custom values allows you to put your affiliate link in one place, and then it populates into all these emails so you don't have to do that manually. So let's go ahead and show you how you can put your affiliate link in that custom values. You just want to go down here. I hit settings. You want to go to custom values, and then you're going to just hit new custom value. You're going to just put the name of it, affiliate link. That's where you put your affiliate link. You name it affiliate link, and then you hit create. I'm not going to do that because I already have one created, but this is what it looks like. Boom. And then that's the value or the affiliate link that I want the traffic to go to. So now, next question is, well, how do I get my affiliate link? Well, I have a list of over 130 different AI tools that have affiliate links that you can get paid to promote. The ones that I would suggest you using are top picks. I still use these. I don't promote them as much, but I really like their affiliate programs, and I really just like the tool. So for example, let's just go back with GoHighLevel. Most of these tools, if you scroll down to the very bottom, they will have something where it says affiliate program, become an affiliate. Then all you would do is just sign up, and then they would give you a link that looks like this. And then this is the link right here that you're going to be wanting to put in that custom value spot. So we got the back end, we got the front end, which is your sites. Now let's go to marketing. So there's plenty of other tools that allow you to schedule out content, but I just do it within GoHighLevel because it gives you it right here. So this is the social planner. This allows you to schedule out your content for the whole month, even longer than that. I just go for about a month. I'm about to get ready to start creating and scheduling out content for December, but it allows me to schedule out all my content so I don't have to worry about posting every single day, and it just saves so much time. So what you would need to do is you need to just connect all your different social media accounts that you use. Now, I have quite a bit. I would just start with maybe Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. That's all you really need to get started. So you connect these, and then you would go to create new post. Pick your social media account, then you would hit video, and then you would have your videos or your short form done for you content. All you need is just to download this, upload that into your, right here, your media folder, and then boom, click, come up with let this load. Then all you would need to do is just come up with a different caption or write a caption, and then go down here, schedule, and post. Oh, no, what if you're saying you don't know what to do for a caption? Go to ChatGPT. Like, you can use AI to assist you in a lot of things. And that is, you can use AI to assist you in a lot of things. So if you don't know something, just put it into ChatGPT. I know I went through that kind of quick, but I couldn't explain everything in this YouTube video. So if you want to get that full free course, all you need to do is just get that digital playbook. I go through everything, but what I would recommend is first grabbing GoHighLevel and then signing up for a kickoff call with me so I can set up all your systems and make sure everything is ready and you're good to go. But if you want to do that by yourself, you're more than welcome to just get the course, import the snapshot, and then start downloading content and putting it into the social planner. So that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.